Hey everyone, in this video, come join us as we take you on a walking tour around Midtown Manhattan. We'll be walking by the Today Show, we'll grab some baked goods at Magnolia Bakery, and grab a cup of joe at Rosetta, an Italian bakery. We will be having lunch at Din Tai Fung. After lunch, we'll head over to Soho and grab some macarons at Ladere. For dinner, we're trying our first delicious New York pizza on this trip. As always, thanks for supporting our channel.
It's 30 Rock across the street. Hey babe, it's 30 Rock across the street. Yeah, that's across the street. You want to take a picture of me? This is the paparazzi dogman and paparazzi rabbit girl. Artist is Gilly and Mark, and they have this a waterfall. Beautiful. Take a picture of the missus here. Okay, oh, one more. Okay, and got you on video. Alright, let's go walk through this thing. Oh, look. Wow. Very nice. Watch this. Cross here. Yeah, see, they're filmed. Yeah, it's covered. Yeah, see? Who's? Oh, yeah. No, I don't know. Oh, see, they're filming. They're filming something in there. Yeah. When I walk backward.
This is somewhere here. Maybe this one.
Oh yeah, they closed.
Yeah. It's gonna be this one.
Nintendo across the street. It's right next to the NBC studios. Let's go, babe. Mario! Let's go back later. Because look. Look, they have the Nintendo New York shirt. Yeah. Yeah. And Nike. We stumbled across the Hard Rock Hotel near New York. Here, Little Pizza Italy. Yeah, later. Let's go try. Let's go try that pizza. What street is this on? South 7. The M&M World. We're gonna go that way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go one more. Yeah, Broadway.
Are they on Broadway?
Let's go across the
Are they on Broadway?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, keep going. There's Hershey's chocolate. Yeah, yeah. I'll get it later. Alright, that was Magnolia Bakery. Just got some their famous banana pudding. Thank you so much. All right, appreciate it. Thank you. I don't know if it's been a year or not. This is a big Din Tai Fung restaurant. Alright, we're done eating at Din Tai Fung, so we're gonna go ahead and walk around more here in Manhattan. And it's one of the statues, and it's actually, you have to walk down the stairs here to get to the restaurant from the Paramount Plaza. The line outside Stu C here in Soho. been waiting about 10 minutes. We're at the Lottery Macaron store, restaurant and garden French pastry. Going in. Just 6. Hello. I'll get a dozen.
A dozen?
Yeah.
What is that? You want pistachio?
Just go ahead. Tell what I order.
No,
What I
you
trust you.
want pistachio? Okay.
I trust you.
Okay, I'll have
You know what I
pink
want.
chocolate. A dozen?
1 dozen.
A dozen. I'm sorry?
You need 4 more.
4 more. Okay. You want? Do you want caramel?
No, I don't want caramel.
Caramel. Is that vanilla pecan?
Yeah, you want one of those or how many more?
Okay, 2 of those and 1 more pistachio.
You still need 1 more.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah.
Okay, salted caramel.
Alright. And would you like anything else?
Yeah, can I get a let's see here. Can I order a mocha latte or you know, do you have Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, one of those.
What
Thanks.
kind of milk would you like?
Uh,
Whole milk is fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
So just 1 drink, right?
Yes.
Alright. You said hot, right?
Take a video. We are at Lottery. Getting some macarons.
What the heck?
Getting some dinner here at Little Italy Pizza. We got Hawaiian, 2 pepperoni, and cheese with spinach. This is what we're dealing with. Sorry for the glare. This is our view at night from the Millennium Hotel. We're on the 48th floor. Oops. Go. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. That's the Comcast, NBC Comcast building. And down below, see down below there. zoom it in a little bit.